Best of the best, guys. 2013 Lexus ES 350 with the luxury package. Heated seats, cooled seats. It's got the big alloyed wheels, backup camera, backup sensors, pearl white in color with tan leather. The best color combination made, guys. And we've got it. Conover location. Let's take a look on the inside. It's just as new on the inside. It's got your blind spot monitoring. Again, this car does have the luxury package with lots of extras. Look how clean. I told you, just as new. Telescopic steering wheel. It even smells clean in this car. And I would say the rear has not been used. Big navigation screen with stitched leather dash. Guys, we do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. Well, it's no problem at the Trading Post. We have a program for everyone. Check out my website to apply for this Lexus, tradingpostcars.com. That's tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information and we'll go to work for you. Above average new, fully loaded Lexus ES 350 pearl white tan leather with the luxury package here at the Trading Post will not last at this price. Call us today, 828-464-0600, or again, tradingpostcars.com. You're going to love it here and you're going to love my Lexus, but it's not going to last. You better call today before it's gone.